Bengaluru, people call it the Silicon Valley of India. But let me tell you, behind those giant tech parks and IT campuses, there's something far more powerful at work. Bengaluru is the true defense capital of India, and if you're fascinated by India's hidden military strength, make sure you subscribe to Def Nexus for more deep dives like this. It all started way back in 1940, when Hindustan Aeronautics Limited set up shop here. Think about it. Before independence, India was already building warplanes in Bengaluru, laying the foundation for an aerospace industry that would one day rival the world's best. Then, in 1954, Bharat Electronics Limited arrived on the scene. This was a game changer. Suddenly, radars, missile electronics, battlefield communication systems, all were being developed right here. Today, the tech that protects India's skies. A lot of it was born in the labs of Bengaluru, but the story doesn't stop there. Bengaluru hosts some of the most advanced DRDO labs in the country. These scientists and engineers are behind cutting-edge radar systems, AI-driven defense software, and precision missile guidance technology. Missiles like Akash and India's next-gen air defense. Bengaluru's got its fingerprints all over them. Now, it's not just government players. The private sector is moving in big time. Companies like Tata, Axiscades and L&T are building everything from missile test systems to fighter jet parts and advanced defense software. Bengaluru's become a hub for the future of India's military industry. Even tanks and armored vehicles have a Bengaluru connection. BEML, working with DRDO, is making sure defense mobility tech is designed and perfected right here. So why does it all happen in Bengaluru? First, there's the talent. Coders, scientists, engineers and innovators all flock here, drawn by the ecosystem and expertise. Second, the city has deep roots in both tech and manufacturing, making it ideal for cross-pollination between IT and defense. Today, from drones to cyber warfare, stealth fighters to missile shields, Bengaluru is quietly shaping India's military future. In almost every advanced Indian weapon system, there's a high chance Bengaluru is the hidden brain behind it. So, next time you hear about a breakthrough in Indian defense tech, don't forget, Bengaluru's silent warriors probably had a major role to play.